Hi, I am Dr. A. Martin Jairaj, working as Associate Professor in Department of Management, Karpam Academy of Education, Coimbatore. So, we will be seeing about the fundamentals of marketing management. We will be having 8 modules. Each module will take from 10 to 15 minutes video sessions. So, first module will be the basic concepts and fundamentals of marketing management. Second, we will be seeing about the core concepts of marketing management. Third module, we will be seeing about the segmentation, targeting and positioning concepts. Fourth module, we will be seeing about the product decisions taken in the marketing. Fifth concept or fifth module, we will be seeing about the pricing concepts. Sixth module, we will be seeing about the place concepts and all the concepts related to distribution of management. And seventh concept, we will be seeing about the promotional activities carried out in marketing. And eighth, we will be seeing about the digital marketing and recent trends which are happening in the marketing concepts. So, we will see about marketing basic concepts in this module. So, marketing normally when we start a company or when we produce a product, we give importance to production department, finance department and HR department, where we take in the people and we invest a lot of money and we produce using different techniques and new innovations. But still in a business, a customer is more important than all other things, because if we produce a goods also, we need a customer to buy it. So whatever we produce, the customer will not be accepting it. So we need to find out the needs of the customers and try to satisfy the customers. Only if we get the customers, we can do the business. So let's see the basic definition of marketing. So according to Philip Kotler, so he defines marketing as a social process by which individual groups obtain their needs and wants. So they do it by creating certain marketing offerings and they exchange the products and services of value with others. So the definition goes as it is a social process wherein the individuals and group people, they want to satisfy their needs and wants. What they do by creating it through offerings and the exchange, and they do it with the products and services of value with others. They try to exchange the goods and products with other people and they create the offerings. So this is the basic definition given by Philip Kotler. So before getting deeply into this definition, let's see what a market is. Normally when speaking, traditionally we see market as a place. Now also we use it as a place only. Whenever we are saying, we say we are going to buy some grocery items or some food items, we say we are going to a market and we will buy the products. So traditionally market means a place. But in modern era, marketing does not mean a place, or a market does not mean a place. It is the actual and potential buyers who are going to buy the products. Okay? So this is the basic understanding of the marketing. So what happens here is, normally in traditional days we used to call it as a place, but now we mean it as a actual and potential buyers who are going to buy the product. So actual buyers means who are actually going and buying at this place. Potential buyers are the future buyers, who are the prospects who are going to purchase it. Okay. So let's see this definition, and based on these definitions, let us find out the features of marketing management. So what is the features of marketing? So if we see the particular definition itself, we can see it's a social process. Social process means wherein people come together, they come as a group. One person produces a certain thing, other person produces a certain thing, and they exchange between themselves. Okay? So it is a social process where all the people have to come and they are all involved. Second, individuals or groups. People individually or collectively, they come in and they act into marketing things. Next basic thing is needs and wants. So this is the major feature of marketing. So whenever we are trying to give a product, we have to see that the needs and wants of customers are fulfilled. Only a buyer will purchase based on its needs and wants. If I have to purchase a particular thing, if I want to purchase a particular product or goods, means I should have the need or a want to buy it. Then only it will motivate me to purchase it. If I don't have the need, I am not going to buy it. If I already have a bike, means I am not going to buy a new bike, right? If I don't have a bike and I am in need of a bike, means I will go and purchase a particular bike. So a need or a want only motivates a person to buy a particular product. Next is the marketing offerings. Marketing offerings are to be seen in the eyes of the marketer. Okay? So whenever a marketing person or a particular company is giving certain offerings, means the offering is not a particular product, it is a package of a complete product. A complete product in these terms, it consists of all the quality, the features, the attributes, the what and all are the things which are present in the particular product, the quality of the product. If it is a food item, means the taste of the product. Okay, so it is all a complete package, and plus it consists of some value, it consists of some price, and it has to be given to the person at his nearby his location. Right? So if a person wants to buy a product, means he won't go and search for the product. It has to be available at his near doorstep or nearer to him, where he can approach and buy the product. Okay? So product means it's a complete package. It consists of the package and all the things, plus the features of the product, all those things, plus it has a value for it, it has an image for it, plus it has to be given at a particular place where the customer is ready to buy. So offering consists of all these things, offering a complete product. Next is the exchange. Exchange means one person goes to other person and they exchange the products for some money, or maybe for goods also they try to exchange the products. Right? So a buyer is there, a seller is there. Two persons come and meet, and one person is trying to sell the product, other person buys the product. He gives the money and buys the product. So an exchange happens between two or more persons. Next, it consists of the products and services of value. So here another concept which you have to think is the value. Normally we give the product a price, but the product has a value. When a customer will buy a product, when he perceives that the value is equal to the price. Say I am going to pay 1 lakh for one bike, means I will perceive that the value of the bike should be for 1 lakh. Otherwise I am not going to spend 1 lakh for that product. Okay? So the perception of the value also is very important whenever it comes in terms of marketing. So we saw about the marketing concepts. Next we'll see about the marketing management definition. So in this marketing management, it is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of all the activities which are created starting from the producer to the customer. So whenever the product starts from the producer till it reaches the customer or the user, end user, all the activities which are involved, the planning of all those activities and how it is being organized, how it is being coordinated, how it is being directed, how it is being controlled, totally it is called as marketing management. So let's see the definition given by Philip Kotler. So Philip Kotler says marketing management is the arts and science. So basically he says it's an art and also it has some scientific concepts. All marketing has scientific concepts and it is basically an art. So why do we have this marketing management? It is to choose the target markets. So basically in marketing management, first we have to choose the target markets. So who is the target market? The target market can be any person, a particular group in a particular person, or the total population is there, a particular group or a segment in a particular population. So whom we are trying to concentrate and who are the prospects. Next, it says about getting, keeping and growing customers. So we are going to choose target markets, then we are going to first get the customers. We are going to obtain the customers. Next we are going to keep the customers. So who are the customers you have got, or already the customers who are there? We have to keep that customers, we have to maintain those customers and we have to grow with the customers. Means we should not stop with the present customers, we have to increase the customers. So first we have to get new customers, then we have to maintain them and we have to increase the customers, we have to create some new customers. So this is the process which he's been saying. So we have to choose the target markets, then we have to get the customers, then we have to keep the customers, we have to maintain them and rapidly we have to increase the customers. So how we are going to do it? Through creating, delivering and communicating customer values. So creating means we have to create certain value for the particular goods. So what and all product or service we are providing, we have to create some value for that. Second, we have to deliver the particular value. Next, we have to communicate it to them. So whenever we are creating, a value has been created and we have to give it to that. There comes the distribution network where we are delivering the products to the particular persons, how we are going to deliver it to the place where he is staying. Next we have to communicate it to him on all different ways. So now the integrated marketing communications have come, digital marketing concepts have come, new things are coming where we try to communicate to the customers and we are saying how much value is the customer and what are the benefits he is going to get from the particular products. So we have to communicate to the customers. So this is what is the definition given by Philip Kotler, where marketing management is the arts and science for choosing target markets in which we are going to get, keep and grow the customers through creating, delivering and communicating customer values. So next week we'll see what can all be marketed. Okay. So basically we see products and services can be marketed, but apart from that certain other things also can be marketed. Marketing can be done for all these things. So basically the goods means anything which is being produced. All the goods which are produced and any items that can be marketed by one person to another person. Second is the services. Services means any services like airlines, like taxi lines or telephone conversations or any services which are being provided, banking and insurance, all these things are service industries. So services can be marketed and it needs marketing and communication and promotional activities to be taken to other persons. Next is events. Events are, it is getting more importance nowadays. Event management is a separate concept wherein people try to create some events and they are trying to market and promote the events. For example, sports events are there. So IPL is going to come and IPL, all these concepts are there. So these can be events, sports events can be marketed. Next is the experiences. Experiences is example, we can have a film or a drama wherein the experiences of a particular person can be portrayed and he can act based on his own experiences and it can create a good experience in us. So we will get a good experience when we are going there, or it can be like a going for a trip, or it can be like a destination, or it can be those things, right? Or it can be an outbound training wherein you go and get training for certain things. All these are experiences. So these experiences can be marketed and all these concepts can be done. Next is persons. Persons like to tell about themselves and they try to market themselves. So it is called as celebrity. So celebrity endorsements are gaining more importance nowadays and people like to show them as a celebrity. Like it can be a sports star, he can be an actor or actress or a musician or artist or any person or a familiar scientist or any big professors, any known persons to us. Okay. So all these are persons who are celebrities and they can try to market themselves and create some brand image for themselves so that they will try to give any endorsements to a product and that may act as a particular endorsements for that. Okay. So persons can market for themselves. Next is places. Places goes with tourism. So we can try to market certain places and tourism is a big place which is happening in different parts of the countries and global wise, right? So we can target certain places and we can arrange tours to certain places and that can be marketed. It goes with Incredible India or a Southwest tour or a South Indian tour, something like that. A place can be given marketing and that can be shown. I've seen a lot of things like Kerala, Goa, all try to say about their tourist destinations and they try to communicate and they market all those things. Next is properties. Properties goes with the real estate, all these things where they try to sell the property and they do marketing with all those things. Organizations are companies and big corporates, they try to create some brand image for themselves. So in that way, whenever a product comes from the organization or a corporate, that also comes and they try to market those things. Different big industries, they try to market. Educational institutions, they try to market. Hospitals, banks, all these try to market and create a good brand name so that it reaches everyone. So marketing can be done for organizations. Then information can be marketed. So all the books, journals, all those things and any copyrights, all the published things, all these things can be marketed. The books written by famous persons can be marketed and these information can be marketed to other persons. And ideas Any product or any new ideas that also can be marketed to other persons. So marketing is present in all these things. Normally we say go with products and services, but for all these things it can be marketed. So the next topic we'll see about the different core concepts of marketing. Basically there is production concept and product concept, selling concept, marketing concept and societal marketing concept. So these concepts has been created on different various things. In the sense the production concept has been created, and later in few days later the product concept was created, and after certain years selling concept came into picture, and after that marketing concept came into picture, then societal marketing concept came into picture. So in olden days or in previous or traditional days, production concept was given more importance, in the sense they believed in mass production. So after the industrial revolution, they thought that most of the products, if they produce in mass or if we produce more products, means the company will go very nicely or it will earn more profit. So they concentrated on mass production, means they got big machines and they started to produce to the total capacity, and they wanted to increase the production capacity. So whenever the production is more, they thought they will be selling it more and more profit will come and the company will grow. So they gave importance to production concept in the earlier days. Then after that, after a period of time, the product concept came. So after that they found that the mass production didn't work out, and they started concentrating on product concept, wherein they gave importance to quality and innovation, technology. Okay. So they thought that if they produce good quality products, they are going to gain the more customers, and they are going to sell more, and they are going to make profits. Or if they are going with innovative products, if they are coming with new innovative product, means then they can become, the company can grow and it can become a big company. So the concept slowly started from the production concept and it went to the product concept. Later they found out selling is more important, because they were not able to sell good quality products also. Then they thought, okay, selling has to be given more importance, and they started giving more sales people, and they started doing hard sales. Hard sales in the sense they started to different ways of selling, how it can be sold to people, how people can be convinced, how we can tell about the products, how we can explain about the products, so how people can be motivated and persuaded to buy the products. All these concepts came, and they started concentrating on sales concepts. Later, after a few period of time, they came into a marketing concept. Marketing concept came with the customers. So in marketing concept, customers are being given more important. Customer is being thought as the king of any business. So first what happened is a customer has to be satisfied. To satisfy a customer, the customer needs has to be found. So a company, what it has to do is it has to find out the needs of the customer, and after that they have to create a product to satisfy the needs of the customer. If the customer is satisfied, he is going to buy again and again. So this is the marketing concept. Here customer is given more importance. The production is not given more importance, or the quality or innovation is still there, but still it is not given more importance. Customer is given more importance. Only if you find out the need of the customer, and if you are going to satisfy that need of the customer, then only the company can grow. So this is the marketing concept. And in later days, a new concept of societal marketing concept came into picture, where they gave it was an extension of this marketing concept only. So it is not a separate one, it is just an extension, wherein they added certain things like ethics, and they gave importance to environment. So more ethical activities, more ethical behaviors, where the customer should not be cheated, and more ethical advertisements has to be done, and environment has to be given more importance, like green marketing concepts and all have been created. So here they give more importance to customers plus the society as a large whole. So not only the customers are given importance, the society, the people, total people are given more importance in this case. So this is how the different concepts came into picture. First the production concept came, wherein they gave importance to mass production and they thought production was important. Then they came into the product concept wherein they gave more importance to the quality and new innovation in products. Then they started to sell the products, they wanted to sell more and more products, and after that they came into marketing concept wherein they gave more importance to customer. So customer becomes the king of any business, and any company which satisfies the needs and wants of the customer is going to grow. Next, they added certain ethical and environmental concepts wherein the societal marketing concepts evolved. So today we saw about the basic concepts, fundamental concepts of marketing in this first module. In the second module, that is the next video, second module, we will be seeing about the other core values or core concepts in marketing. Thank you.